So welcome to assignment number 6 of the Explain Everything course. If you would, choose the magnifying glass at the top left. And let's just slide assignment 5 out of the way. Now on this assignment, I want to show you how to use the Shapes tool. Alright, so on the left, you got all your different tools. Well, choose this one, the Shape tool, on your screen. Now you can see on each of these I'm getting different color shapes. Alright. And right here, if I tap, I can choose what I want my shape to look like. Maybe I want a circle. Or kind of this, I don't know, a square without edges. And then this square. Alright, so let's say you want to put a square on the screen that's black. Alright, so there's my square. I just held down on the screen and drug. But now, I like that square, but I want it to be filled in. I want the square to be whole. So I'm going to slide it out of the way. And I'm going to tap my Shapes tool again. And I'm going to tap on the black square. And I get a bunch of options when I tap on it. Now, I'm going to choose for the fill. See on here, I got border and fill. For fill, I'm going to make it black, just like the border. So now I got the border black, and I got the fill black. And I'm going to tap on the screen, and then I'm going to hold down. And now when I put this shape on there, it gives me a solid black rectangle. Okay? And I can double, yeah. So if I hold down on that shape, let me do it again. If I press the finger, now look at all my tools again. If I press the finger and I hold down on it, it gives me a lot of other options. Like I can copy or paste it, etc. So I just wanted you to see that. We'll worry more about those later. So let's put another shape inside there. So let's choose the Shape tool. And let's go with yellow this time. And I'm going to tap the yellow. And I want the fill to also be yellow. So again, I got a yellow border and a yellow fill. And I'm going to change the shape up here to a circle. And I'm going to put my circle here. And then I'm going to take and press on it and just slide it into the black. Right? So I've got two shapes there. And now I'm going to choose the magnifying glass. And I'm going to zoom in and choose alpha. And I'm going to tap on the screen and I'm going to write. I'll make that a little bigger there. Okay. So if you would, and then I'm going to zoom back out. So I press the zoom button and I'm going to zoom back out. So if you would, pause the video and get yours where it looks like mine, where you've got this rectangle that's black with a yellow circle on the inside and the words assignment 6 there. And then press play after you get that and we'll keep going. All right, so now I'm going to press the magnifying glass and slide this over. And let's say I want a line now. I want to press the Shape tool, but instead of a square, I'm going to make a line. And I don't want it to be yellow. I want it to be a red line. And I want the line filled to be red as well. So my border will be red and my fill will be red. And I'm going to draw me a line on the screen. And with your fingers, you can take two fingers and put them both on the line, and then you can rotate it around, make it bigger. See, I'm pinching out or in. Make it whatever shape you want it to be. So there it is. And so I may want to use that line and then zoom in on it. And maybe I'm teaching the students how to sign their name. Right? Or maybe I'm teaching them how to write the word fast on the line. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but on the bottom left, there's a little, let me point at it. There's a little button right here that looks like a little U-turn. And what that does is it undoes what you did. So if I press it, notice the line and the T went away. But I can press forward, so I can choose right here and go forward one and it'll come back. Or I can go back a bunch of times. Look, I'm taking the whole word fast out. Okay. So in blue, let's write the word happy on here on our line. And then let's press the zoom button and zoom back out. And so you can see I've got some shapes. I've got a line. And so in the tool section, if we tap, we also have arrows. So let's put a red arrow on our screen. And maybe we take that arrow, and if I drag, here's my arrow pointing to assignment number 6. And so you can see there are just a lot of shape options if you ever wanted to use them. So now at this point, take a screenshot of your screen, and that you can submit that for proof that you did assignment 6. And it should look just like mine.